Hello scholars, we are back again, my good champions. It's so interesting that we have been able to know how to draw title blocks and border lines. Before I came here now, one of my students was asking me that, Mr. Ben, I noticed that in your videos you were using pen to draw. You were not using a pencil. Yeah, if you look at this compass now, you see a pencil here, but this other one is actually a pen. Why am I doing this? You see, this is a video. When I draw with a pencil, oftentimes in the video, it's not too visible for my students. So I always prefer using a pen so that you can enjoy my videos at the end of the day. You can see this one, for instance. If you look at this mark and this other mark, like the one I use a pen to draw for you is more visible. You understand? That's the reason. But what I need you to get is the principle behind the work I'm doing. All right, now don't go and draw with a pen. Make sure you use a pencil to do your actual drawing. All right, the lesson I'm going to be showing you today is called freehand sketching. Can you say that? Freehand sketching. This is basically for year 7 students. It's very, very simple. The mistake some of my students make is that they think if they use a ruler in this work, they'll score high marks. But unfortunately, we fail them. Now, when you want to do freehand sketch, you use just your pencil and a ruler to do that. Just a pencil and, did I say ruler? Just a pencil and your hand. And probably you need an eraser too to erase if need really be. If there is need, just need your pencil and your eraser and then your hand. So let us assume you are asked to draw a straight line using freehand sketch. Now the principle is this: the first thing you do, you get a mark on your left and you get another mark on your right, just the way you can see there. Then you use a line to join the 2 points together like this. That's it. You can see that the line is not squared, it's not straight, but it's indicated that I joined 2 points together. This is how you draw a straight line using freehand sketch. It could be a vertical line, it could be like this and then like this. I just go from up down. This is how to draw a straight line, vertical line using freehand sketch. What about if you are asked to draw a curved line using freehand sketch? Curved lines are usually just like this, right? You can also go like this. Now, for the technique, you don't have to draw the line. You indicate by tracing. How do you do that? You just get points. Let us see like this. I get another point, I get another one like this, another one, to form how the curve may look like this. You understand? Then I now join all these points together. I can move from here, there, move, take here. I join all the points together. Can you see that? This has to draw a curved line using what? Using freehand sketch. It could be the curved line is this way, could be this way. Now watch it. I get the points, like that, and I joined all the points together. Can you see how I'm moving? I joined them together neatly. This is it. I've drawn the curved line. There are other instances where you'll be told to draw a circle using freehand sketch. You don't just draw like this. No. The first thing you want to do, you draw 2 center lines vertical. For instance, I am going to draw a line now. Let us say, first of all, let me draw a square. For instance, draw a square. Just indicate the square. For instance, let us assume this is a square. This is a square. Then you draw 2 straight lines to pass the middle. long, short, long, short, long. I draw another one, long, short, long. That's it. Now these lines I've drawn, they are called center lines. It divides the square into 4. Now to draw the circle, do not join the 4 points, the quadrant. I take it from here, there, here, here, there, there, and back to my origin. So I draw like this. For instance, you must touch here. I go like that. I move. Can you see that? And I go that way. Good. This is the circle required. This is how to draw a circle using freehand sketch. There are times you'll be asked to draw an ellipse using freehand sketch. What do? You draw a rectangle now. Let us assume this is my rectangle. This is my rectangle, for example. And after completing it, I will now divide it also with a center line. Long, short, long, short, long. And I go long, short, long, short, long. These are center lines. And then I join these 4 points again, like this, neatly. I try, touching there. I move, touching here. I go, touching here, and I move like that. It must also touch here. See that? This now gives me the required what? Ellipse. You see, it's not too perfect, but you can give it a try, and probably yours may be better than mine. So this is the required ellipse. You see it now? So these are the methods or techniques you use when drawing freehand sketch. You may even be asked to draw a cube. I think most of us in primary school, we are good at that. We just draw 2 squares. We draw 2 squares, shifted a little like this. I draw another square this way. Can you see that? Can you see that? Some of you can do it better than I am doing now. I join here, there. I join here, there. I add here and here to there. Bam, that's a cuboid. So these are the techniques that we apply when doing freehand sketch. Have you learned anything today? That's good. If you've learned something and you feel you want to email me about it, I'll be waiting for your email. So please, I did mention that if you want all these materials, I have a textbook for these materials which you can have access to. And these textbooks, I have a free version that you can download. Just go to the description detail, and then you'll see for year 7, year 8, and year 9. Get the free copies I have for you. Do well to also subscribe and like my videos, because by that you are really assisting me. See you in the next class.